new small talk program. Seems to be working.
You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Try going. Perfect. Alright, looks like we're all here. Everyone has 2 yellow
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast up.
Shields up, R2. Where are we going? This is madness! R2, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Hot race! I've always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power! What? Now cut the pod and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your Starspeeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is a most desperate hour. Help me start tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Shields up, R2! I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroids! R2, get them all before they rip us apart! They've severed the controls! Pull up! R2, pull up! Well done, R2! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, R2, a platform! Let's land there! Thank the Maker! Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.